All right, it is time. You absolutely show up at your best every and any time you go to speak, because the world needs to hear your message, your mission, whatever that is that you're offering that makes impact. If it's your business, if it's a pitch, if it's a project, if it's a cause you believe in, if it's just wanting to be able to better network, better sales, better pitches, or even to elevate that and with your expertise, get high paid speaking bookings, get TEDx talks, media, all of that is going to revolve around how you show up, how you connect, how you make impact with how you speak. And what happens is people are usually fighting in their head, or they're fighting fear or anxiety or lack of confidence or doubting, or they may be a little constricted. But what if you could be completely freed up? What if it can flow through you? Like it's no longer in your head, it just flows from your heart. You feel so connected. It's like a conversation with your best friend. People can feel your message. It pierces through. You stand out among the rest. That is a superpower. And in fact, Warren Buffett said the number one skill for success is speaking. In fact, that's why he invested so much in speaking in the beginning of his career, because he knew he's going to have to make presentations to the boards. He's going to have to pitch different projects and investors. He's, going to have to sometimes speak when they ask him to speak. Well, same thing for anyone who wants to put themselves out there, whether that's on social media, whether that's, sharing your offer if you're an entrepreneur, whether that's speaking for your business and presentations or pitches, you name it. So I have developed over the years, over 20 years ago, a process that's an inside-out approach to speaking, and it absolutely dissolves the fear, the anxiety, the worries, the doubt, the getting stuck in your head, the stiffness, the over-formality, the holding back, all of that. It frees you up. It lets you speak with power, with freedom, with clarity, and you no longer have those, I call them walls, if you will. WOW, W-O-W, is an acronym for without walls. What happens when you can dissolve those barriers to your connection or you showing up at your absolute best, and in a way that's authentic to you, a way that is your absolute best amplified, making that impact, but it's how it comes through you, not having something imposed on you. Oh, you should move your hands this way, or you should move your tonality that way, or make sure you say these words. Actually, when you are authentically connecting, when you're speaking with passion and conviction and it flows through you and you're out of your own way, the power of what you're able to create, the power of the results, better sales, a table rush to the back of the room, people wanting to take the next steps of action when they see your videos, getting booked for media, getting high paid speaking bookings, TEDx talks, you name it. Now that is a specialty of mine. I've been so fortunate to be able to work with folks with this inside out approach to speaking. And we are doing in an incredible way at an incredible, what would you call it, rate, because it's going to be just for 7 people only at a time in the 4-camera professional Hollywood studio, day and night. It's a full day immersive, experiential. Everyone gets different one-on-ones at different times, interactive. The day flies by, and by the end of that one day, you have forever in your cells. You have forever found your wow. The way that you stand out, the way that you make impact, the way those fears, doubts, nerves, whatever may be going on is dissolved, is out of the way, or isn't even there. Or you know how to manage it if it shows up, because you can speak with power as you and wow, no matter what. That's what this work does. That's what we've done for billionaires, executives, famous thought leaders, to those just starting out. And I've been very fortunate to help work with folks that went on to do 7- and 8-figure careers even. And this is possible for you. Whatever that is for you that you hold in your heart, we have here the secret superpower that you need. And it's an inside-out approach. You're not going to get this from information, tips, tricks, AI. This you have to experience. And once you do, it's in your cells. It's like riding a bike and finding balance. And now you forever have balance in your body. And you can maybe not ride a bike for a couple years and you go back to ride a bike and you still have balance. It's there, it's in you. It's an automatic way of being. That's what this is. Now is your time. The world needs you more than ever. Nothing should be standing in your way. So check out wowyourspeaking.com, wowyourspeaking.com. This is a way to go directly through me, because through our partners that offer this, you'll be paying half of what it's going to be, but through me, it is less than a third. And it's not just the one day. You also get a one-on-one coaching with me that also gets to help you all the more fine-tune and find it after that one day. And a year's worth right now, this is only for right now, but right now you'll get a year's worth of once a month mastermind and ongoing support for ongoing coaching and collaboration and masterminding and trainings and resources, so that you are supported ongoingly in this newfound power and way to wow that is yours and uniquely yours. So check it out at wowyourspeaking.com or DM me if you have interest. We also have like some consulting packages right now that are about at half of what you would pay. And you can learn a little bit more about that at wowyourtalk.com. And we produce the media and everything else to get you fully set up and ready for going out there and getting those high-paid speaking bookings and being positioned properly, having your signature keynote, having the media kit set up the way you need, the right messaging, the right marketing, the right lane of how you get out there, and even support you in packaging, producing, and promoting. So that's available to you too. So DM me, check it out, and whatever you do, get out there and wow. The world needs you, needs your message. It matters. Wowyourspeaking.com. All right? It's only for 7 people and it's only right now. Check it out.